Wiggly Appendage is a very cool tool that allows you to create dynamic appendages like tails, ropes, and antennas for any moving object, such as characters for example. Just get creative with it. Luckily, they have an awesome documentation and a demo project so you can download and experiment right away. Godot Steam is a powerful open-source Steamworks API add-on for the Godot engine. It's continuously being updated and you can visit their website to see the list of games that are using this add-on. Have you ever been in a situation where you edit an exported variable in an instance of a scene, and then you have to search for each instance of that scene to change the value of that variable? It's like a horror movie, but not anymore. With Godot private exports, you can add access modifiers to exported variables in scenes, saving you from that horrible situation. It's so easy with 3 different modifiers. Public exports are always visible. Private exports are only visible in the base scene. Protected exports are only visible in the base scene and its inheritors. Break the limits of the rich text label with the Markdown Label add-on. This add-on adds a custom Godot node that extends rich text label to use Markdown instead of BB code. But don't worry, you can still use BB code along with Markdown, so you can create animations and change colors and fonts. So you've set your tasks, started your focus timer, launched Godot, and started working on your game. But soon after, you switch to your to-do software or website to check your completed tasks. Instead of going back to Godot, you decide to scroll Twitter for just 5 minutes, and you end up getting stuck there forever. Forget all of that and say hi to GD To Do, a simple add-on that allows you to create tasks, write notes, and set a focus timer or focus freely on your task. Sounds great, right? You can download it completely for free from the link in the description. As a bonus add-on, here's SoftBody 2D. One of the most complex things in Godot engine and game development in general is making soft body physics. But this add-on makes it ridiculously easy. Click here to watch the full video.